All right, so our project was the Resumaker, and we're the Helix Hawks.
This is our team. Myself, Benny, and Sophia were front-end developers. We worked on designing the website and making it look like how it does. Jack and Jamison were back-end developers. They made a lot of the functionalities of the website, and Rohan and Edwin were machine learning developers, and so they spent a lot of time training the model.
All right, so what is Resumaker? Resumaker is an AI tool that we created that uses machine learning to generate resumes. So the user will input all their information, and then Resumaker will create a resume based off of that, adding its own information to kind of fill in the blanks. So you use Resume by just going to our website, entering answers to all the prompts given. This will be stuff like age, name, past experience, job you're looking for, and your education. Then you click submit, and then if you wait about 30 seconds, it'll load and it'll create a resume both on the web page and a PDF you can download.
We used a data set of over 2,400 resumes found on Kaggle. We pre-processed the data using several techniques: removal of stop words, stemming, lemmatizing, word2vec, and then we created the word clouds with the pre-processed data. We tried to use BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers to train our model, but ran into several errors. The model failed to read from a .csv file. The model needed more memory than our computers had, and TensorFlow had trouble generating the text.
So there's just some more information about BERT and why we chose it. So it was developed by Google AI in 2018 and uses the transformer architecture, which helps it understand context, which would be important in generating resumes. It was pre-trained on billions of unlabeled text from Wikipedia and book corpus, and then you fine-tune it for specific tasks. In our example, it was using the resume data. Some advantages it has over other models is bidirectional context and the support of multiple languages, and its best uses are in sentiment analysis, question answering, entity recognition, and machine translation.
We used GenSim, NLTK, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Flask in the project to make it all work.
Client side, we used HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Some of the tools we used were Git, GitHub, Visual Studio Code, and pip. The libraries we used, as mentioned in the previous slide, were GenSim, NLTK, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, PyTorch, and Flask. The languages we used to program the model were Python and JavaScript, and we edited and ran the code on a Replit server.
So thank you for watching our presentation, and then I will pull up a demo of it. 1 second. Can you see the website? Okay. So as you can see, we had a slightly pig theme because Benny really liked pigs, so we added them everywhere. But here you just enter your name, your age. We can just do my name, email. Let's do that. Say I wanted to be a computer scientist. I have skills in maybe Python and Java. Past jobs. We can say none. And then education, just say. And then click submit. It takes a bit of time, so give it a second. So you can see it generates this resume here, along with a summary. And then if we click download, I don't know if it might not show it here, but if we go back to here, we can go to this and you'll see it made a PDF version of it. And yeah, thank you.